फ्रेंड्स, बहुत बातें हो चुकी हैं यहाँ पे और मेरे ख्याल से आप लोगों ने यहाँ बहुत मजबूती से ये बात रख दी है कि नजीब को वापस लाया जाए। इसके लिए जितनी पुलिस को और एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को कदम उठाने हैं वो उठाए जाएं। और दूसरा, जिन लोगों ने नजीब के ऊपर अटैक किया, उसको पब्लिकली लिंच किया, उनके ऊपर कार्रवाई हो। आई थिंक ये दो डिमांड्स आप लोगों ने बहुत मजबूती से यहाँ रखी हैं और कई दिन से इस बात को लेकर के आंदोलन कर रहे हैं। आप सबको मेरा सलाम। एक दो चीजें बस मुझे बोलनी है, वो ये कि जर्मनी में भी जो गैस चैम्बर्स हैं वो अचानक से एक दिन नहीं आ गए थे। 1942 में फाइनल सोल्यूशन हिटलर ने दिया, लेकिन उससे पहले कई सालों तक, almost for a decade, there were a series of events. It was preceded by a series of events which led to the final extermination plan by Hitler. These were stormtroopers, and these are things that we see in our society today. I mean, it's really like 1930s Germany repeating itself in India in the present. You see stormtroopers, you see thugs of the ABVP, the Gorakshaks, and so on and so forth, lynching people, mobbing people, putting them to death, disappearing people. There are disappearances. This is what we are seeing today. And there are laws which then justify and routinize this sort of violence. You have this new citizenship law, the immigration law, which practically says that this country is a Hindu nation. It practically says that. So this is what what Germany saw through the 1930s, leading up to the final solution, we are witnessing today, where a community is being systematically targeted, excluded, and made invisible in public life, except as a scapegoat, as an object of violence, as an object of lynching and ridicule. And so, therefore, what this episode of Najib and his lynching shows us. I mean, I've been hearing reports that people, the thugs of the AFP wrote on his wall in the hostel that Muslims are terrorists, and also and things like this. So I mean, this is very systematic targeting which is going on, and we must not allow Najib's disappearance to become one mere blip in the onward march of fascism. We must resist it with all our force. We must demand with all the force that is at our disposal that Najib be brought back immediately. He must be searched for genuinely and seriously. Do not believe the press releases that the police gives out every day. We are not sure that they are making a sincere and genuine effort to trace him. And also that the perpetrators of that violence must be brought to book immediately. You know, you see the parallel, you see what happened in HCU, where Rohit Vemula was converted into a criminal by the administration. There is, first you target and victimize somebody, and then you turn the person into some kind, there is a criminalization of the victim itself. And this is precisely what we are seeing here. You know, the terming of Najib as an accused in the administrative pamphlet, the notice, it must be condemned and must be resisted. And so, with these words, I would just like to say that the movement must go on. It must be intensified till the time that Najib comes back and till the time the perpetrators of that violence are brought to book in justice. Thank you.